But I feel like the first step is to relax the goal. You don't need to be good at all aspects of computer vision. You just need to be really good at one aspect, all right? Like segmentation or object detection. Pick one that you really want to focus on and be really good at that. Because it's a lot easier to go deep and then go horizontal rather than starting horizontal and then trying to go deep. If you think about how we hire in industry or academia, we hire based on depth and then put someone in charge of a large team. Right? Ian Goodfellow is known for what? He's known for generative models, right? He had that breakthrough paper in 2014. And because of that, he's in charge of a whole bunch of research scientists, if he chooses, that can work on a diverse array of projects. So your goal, to be very concrete, you should look at how can I master one very specific problem in computer vision. All right, so now if that's your goal and you want to master one specific problem, how do you do that? I think it goes about in starting, building a team around you and going after a publication. So for example, I'm just going to pick a problem here, like here's a computer vision problem that's very common in manufacturing. This is a pen, all right? And you want to take the camera and you want to draw a bounding box around the pen and estimate its position in XYZ as well as its orientation, like rotation, pitch, roll, pitch, and yaw, right? So you want to create an AI that can tell me the 6 degrees of freedom of this object in the real world. If you have this, you can tell where a car is going, and you can help robots pick up objects, right, based on their orientations. So this is the problem. You want to master the art of drawing a bounding box around this. So the next step is you go to CVPR and you look at the 6 degree of freedom pose estimation papers. You'll see that common names keep coming up, right? The same professors and labs that have worked on 6DOF publish their year after year on incrementally better solutions. So start looking at their papers and try to get in the head of those authors who are writing it. Ideally go meet them if you can. You may not be able to, but really get in their headspace. Once you're in their headspace, try to come up with the follow-up to their work and see if you can get it published at CVPR. If you do this, you are a master in computer vision and you will have job prospects. If you have a CVPR paper on your work, you will have a lot of scope of being hired. That would be my concrete step toward being at the top of the computer vision field if that was your goal. Now, I realize that may not be everyone's goal. You may just want to get the first job in computer vision. And so there's a gradation of levels. This is like level hard. This is like the high level that you want to go to. But if you want to relax it, then you can also start taking MOOCs and get a good feel of re-implementing papers. So instead of going and publishing a new paper, you take the same exercise, but you just say, I want to independently reproduce the SOTA paper, right? The state-of-the-art paper.